It's a little bit different than Colorado for sure. And it's muddy and wet and rocky, but it's pretty sweet here.
No car, just a bus and a trail through the jungle. Mud on our legs, bug bites on our skin, but we all kept going for the view and for the adventure.
It looks like wow. All right, trying something different. We're taking the bus to a trail. All right, on the next bus. Well, we made it off the bus. Now we're gonna do a little walk through this neighborhood and get up to the trailhead. Coming at you from Oahu, Hawaii, and Honolulu. We're out here adventuring. Got a lot of stuff going on over the next week, but today we're going on a little intro walk, going on this trail, Pu'u Pia, I think is how you say it, and it's like 2.2 miles and 500 feet. It's really wet and muddy, so we're going pretty slow.
The trail winds through a sea of green, roots, ferns, and the sound of your own breath. Crossing together, carefully, quietly, with just enough wobble to make it fun.
What do you think, Alex?
It's very muddy and poopy.
Poopy.
Yeah, it makes my shoes brown.
Oh yeah, it's muddy. Alex's shoes aren't wet anymore?
Yeah, rip them.
They're not white anymore. The vegetation is incredible.
It's the rainforest.
Not every step was easy, but that's what makes the trail feel earned. Thick, tangled, and alive, the forest here feels like it's watching you pass.
Looks like we got a little bit of a climb to go up through here. It's been pretty muddy. We're all getting bit by mosquitoes too. Alex has got some mud on his shoes. Addie and Mommy too.
Mud.
Just a little bit of mud.
Yeah, not so bad.
Some mosquito bites.
Yeah.
Some mosquito bites.
Everyone's getting bit except for me, really. It looks like wow.
That's what he said.
Our first viewpoint, vantage point from this trail, and it just looks like you're on top of this green cloud of trees with that canopy down there.
Yay! It's really cool. It looks like a painting though, cause like when you go like with the fan brush, it looks like that.
Oh, Bob Ross style, huh?
Yeah.
Barbara.
Mud on my legs, shoes soaked. But by now, we were committed. Bugs, mud, and long miles. But the kids never stopped. Just a little grumbling and a lot of grit. Then the trail opened up and the trees gave way to sky. This was why we kept going.
It's definitely wet. It's a lot wetter than Colorado for sure. The rain's coming and going, and we are almost to the end here. Went through a couple little vantage points along this ridge, but once you get through the foothills part of the trail and onto this ridge, then you get some really sweet views. And there you are at the end of the trail. View of Honolulu and the Pacific behind us. All the way to the top. Kind of muddy at the bottom and through the foothills part, but once you get to the ridge line, it's pretty nice. And then you get to the top and you get this view. All right, well, after that view, we are going to head back down. That was definitely worth a little 1.1 miles going up and 500 feet. So another 1.1 miles going down, and then we're going to head to the beach and do some surfing. Who's that behind me? So what do you guys think? Going up or going down is easier?
Up.
by step, still moving forward. It wasn't a long hike, but we took our time, and that made it an adventure together.
Well, we're just about back to the start of the trail. 2.2 miles total round trip out and back, and like 500 feet of elevation. It's a little bit slower going because it's so wet, but the mud is muddy. A little bit different than the Colorado Rockies, but the world is such a cool place. Let's explore and find it all. Like and follow along for more adventures from Hawaii. You guys think, was it worth it?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
What do you think, Addie? Was it worth it? Look at that view.
Yeah. It's very.
How many bug bites do you guys got?
1,000.
Let's see your worst one. They're already kind of fading.
Yeah, just don't.
Where's yours, Addie?
Well, I got one right there.